Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you enable hardware virtualization on Oracle VM or VirtualBox Manager or VirtualBox in short. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is a very easy tutorial guys, but we need to open our BIOS and I will teach you exactly what to do. So go ahead and let's exit the VirtualBox and you just have to go ahead and restart your computer and just follow all the steps ahead in this one.
Okay guys, so after turning off your computer, remember your BIOS key. So mine is F2, so after turning on your computer, spam F2. And you will be directed to the BIOS. Once you're here, go over to security. And as you can see, my TPM is now enabled. So if yours is not, go over to set supervisor password here, enter, and just enter your password here, right there, and just enable the TPM at the bottom. So let's do that. So in entering the password, make sure you enter easy to remember password like numbers. So mine 1 2 3 4. Then just repeat that. 1 2 3 4. Continue. Now mine is enabled already, so just enable that by pressing enter, and from disabled make it enabled. Once you're there, we will go over to boot and make sure secure boot is enabled like what I have mine. So for me, this is where I access the secure boot, but for you guys, you might have a different option. So I'll provide the link for accessing secure boots for different laptops or PCs in the description, guys. So just enter and press enable on this. And for saving the changes, but just make sure you select exit saving changes here and press enter.